Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. When I come around, you know it's gonna be a party. Cause I come from a land that's more fun than the other countries, where we ate our exam with flying colors cause we studied. And there's nobody else that can cook better than our mommy. Yeah, it's hotter here, and that is why my skin is brown and you'll find water here to wash my bum after I'm done raiding my Frigidaire. Cause I am proud that I'm Pinoy, I shout it everywhere and tattooed it here. A baby duck still inside the egg still, it is good, yeah. It's called balut, yeah. I eat my ulam, rice and sausawan with my hands, yeah. I close open, yeah. You have to got parents, I had them. Where? Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Op, 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 Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Op, 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 Popo Pinoy style. Hey, Pinay lady. Op, 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 Popo Pinoy style. Hey, where it's shady. Op, 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 op. My name is Mikey Bustos, your one and only Pinoy boy. I'm pointing with my lips cause hands are busy eating Pinoy. Blessing to the elderly, I mano po to Lola. But now my forehead smells like ginger cause she cooked tinola during summer here. Yeah, it is super scorching hot and the rest of the year. Yes, it is still so scorching hot, but really I don't care. Cause I just use my split type aircon, I can pee-pee here, almost anywhere. Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Pop, 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 Popo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Pop, 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 Popo Pinoy style. Hey, Tita baby. Pop, 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 Popo Pinoy style. Hey, with a lady. Pop, 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 pop.